Taita Taveta. Nimrod has been talking to us about the nominations and the challenges. Nimrod, thank you once again for joining us. What is the latest from your location? I know you have been changing locations in the last 3 hours or so. So where are you, and what are you seeing? The nominations began or they haven't begun from where you are right now?
Ken Mijungu, I hope you can hear behind me some mamas, disgruntled supporters of the ODM now, you know, just discussing loudly. One of the officials of the party just walked in a few minutes ago and disclosed to them that the reason for the delay is that some areas already have ballot materials, but there are no clerks to conduct the primaries. And so some of them just, you know, started complaining and shouting, you know, could this be a delaying tactic, and that will result in them not being able to participate in the primaries today. So we understand that is one of the problems, that the ballot materials, ballot boxes, have actually been transported to other areas, polling stations, which are primary schools mostly, and there is no exercise going on because there are no clerks to conduct the primaries, even though there are supporters of ODM. But the scenario here is different. Since morning, they have ballot papers that have been transported here. I'm right in the middle of Rikeke Primary School, which is in Mata Ward, in the constituency of Taveta, here in Taita Taveta County. And here, these residents have been here since 8 o'clock, some since 4 o'clock in the morning, hoping to cast a ballot, but they haven't been able to do so, and they keep waiting. This is also the same polling station where Governor John Murutu, who I spoke to earlier on, confirmed to me that he'll be able to come and cast his ballot here, but the materials haven't yet arrived, so the question then now becomes whether he's actually going to come, or we'll have to wait further to be able to, you know, be advised by his handlers whether he can be able to cast his ballot. Remember, his opposer, or the other aspirant for the gubernatorial seat, the MP for Wundanyi, Thomas Wadegu, as I mentioned earlier, has already cast his ballot in Wundanyi in a secondary school called Sacred Heart. He was able to do that 12:15, and he was able to also to address a few of his supporters, and also the members of the Fourth Estate, the media, and he told them that he's confident about a win, but he's also concerned about the delay, blaming, of course, the John Murutu camp for causing this delay. Remember, yesterday, a number of youth stormed the Mwatate CDF hall and disrupted a bit of the operations that were going on, the preparations for the ballot materials to be transported to different areas, and that was one of the reasons that has led to the huge delay here today. But I'm also joined by one of the disgruntled members of this community. Mama, karibu sana. Hebu tueleze majina yako na watu sehemu gani?
Majina yangu mimi ni Amina Athman, natoka kijiji cha Sogonoi Rekeke. Mimi ni chair maendeleo ya wanawake Taveta Sub-County, na ninaongea kwa niaba wa kina mama. Kuanzia asubuhi saa 12 wa mama wako hapa wakiwa wanangojea tayari kupiga kura, lakini la kusikitisha mpaka sasa hivi bado wa mama wamekaa na wanasema mpaka wahakikishe kwamba imekuwaje mpaka dakika hii maboksi ya kupigia kura hayajafika. Na kile tunachoomba ni kwamba tunataka tuelezwe ODM ilikuwa kwa ina mipango gani. Mpaka kufikia wakati huu hatujaona maboksi ya kupigia kura ama clerks katika vituo, na hatuwezi kujua kwamba ni mipango gani ambayo ODM ilikuwa kwa iko nayo. Zaidi tunaomba kuumia ama kuongea sisi kama kina mama tunaumia kwa sababu tangu saa 12 mpaka dakika hii tuko hapa, na leo ni siku yetu ya biashara. Sisi ni wafanya biashara, sisi ni wakulima, na watoto wanatutegemea, na shule ndio zinafunguliwa karibuni.
Pengine ni wasiwasi gani hasa mlionao hivi sasa tu, kiongozi mmoja ama mhusika mmoja katika chama akija kueleza hapa kwamba katika baadhi ya vituo kuna masanduku ya kupigia kura lakini hakuna wasimamizi ama makarani wa kuweza kusimamia shughuli hii ya kura? Je, hilo linawatia wasiwasi?
Linatutia wasiwasi, inaonekana kwamba kuna rigging ambayo inataka kufanyika ndani. Kwa sababu kwa nini hivyo vituo visipangiliwe tokea hapo mwanzo, na vilikuwa vimepangiliwa kisha vikaondolewa? Vimeregeshwa tu jana. Havina wasimamizi wa vituo. Mimi ni mmoja ambaye ninaelewa vile ambavyo vilivyokuwa na vile ambavyo vilikuwako havikuhusishwa, ambavyo vilikatwa. Na hii yote imeletwa kwa ajili ya mvurugano, wa ajili ya magavana wote wawili ambao wanavuta ni kuvute.
Na mwisho tu, pengine kwa idadi ambayo kubwa bado watu wamesalia hapa hawajakata tamaa, wangapi wameondoka, na je, idadi hii itapungua ama pengine tunatarajia wengine wataongezeka kusubiri masanduku kuwasili?
Tunategemea kwamba watu wataongezeka kwa sababu tuna uchungu, tunataka tumregeshe Gavana Mrutu arudi.
Si nafasi ya kufanya siasa, lakini nataka kuzungumzia tu kwa wale ambao wako hapa, idadi itaongezeka ama itapungua?
Itaongezeka kwa sababu walioko hapa wana nia ya kupiga kura na tunataka tuletewe maboksi.
Naam, asante sana mama. Bila shaka these are some of the complaints that the voters here have, the supporters of different camps obviously raising their issues and concerns, but we'll keep on waiting. As I mentioned earlier, this is Rekeke Primary School in Mata Ward, the area where Governor John Mrutu is expected to cast his ballot. He was supposed to be here when we spoke earlier at about 1 o'clock. He hasn't arrived. There's no sign of, any activity happening here apart from, the voters waiting for the ballot materials. Thomas Mwadegu has been able to cast his ballot, as I said earlier, at 12:15. So we'll wait to see. There are obviously a number of seats that are up for grab for the ODM ticket, the women representative, the Senate, members of the 4 constituencies that are here, namely Wundanyi, Voi, Taveta, and then also different wards. There are a total of 20 wards that are up for grabs for the ODM ticket, and obviously all these aspirants will battle it out with other parties come the August 8th, 2017. There are, of course, 78 polling stations. We don't know how many voters in those areas have been able to cast their ballot, but we'll have to wait and see. But for now, it's back to studio, and we'll be able to share more updates with you once and when, there's plenty of activity from Rekeke.
Right, Nimrod Tabu reporting from Taita Taveta, where he has been literally on the campaign trail, dropping